Hi ladies, this is a non-light party and I'm your host Christine. Um, Welcome to Jamberry. If you've never heard about Jamberry, you're going to learn some awesome facts about Jamberry. We'll have a lot of fun. We'll play some games, we'll win some prizes, and we have such a great quality product with over 300 designs to choose from, and they're very easy to apply. They don't hurt your nails. I've been a cosmetologist for 30 years and found this is a product that I really I find it kind of true to my heart, that I really love it. Tonight I want to just show you a little bit about what you're going to receive when you order a set of nails. Best bet, you can personal message me and I'll send you a mini application kit with some samples so that you can try it before you buy it. But if you tried them before, awesome. And if you're just willing to jump in and let's give it a shot. So the first thing I want to show you is our sheets look like this. They're $15 for a sheet. And what you're seeing, these two are one pedicure, and there's your second pedicure. So these split in half for your big toes, and these are divided up for the other four. So there's two pedicures. There's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, about 8, anywhere between 4 and 8 accent nails, and then there's 2 full manicures. Just wanted to show you what that looks like. And those are $15 for the sheet. So if you do the math, which we'll post online to show you what the math looks like, how much money you're saving. I can show you how to do that. I looked around a little bit tonight to see if I had any of the junior ones, which are really, really little. I'm going to go ahead and tell you about, you get the same thing, but they're really small, like tiny, that probably the thumb size is about the size of this, for your pinky. I'm going to say children 8 years or younger can wear those. Okay, so we have over 300 designs. They adhere with heat. And you can, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I have my heater going because I want to show you how to apply one of these wraps tonight online for our party. So for $15 you get 2 manicures, 2 pedicures, and 4 to 6 accents that you can wear with our lacquers, or coordinate them or with another wrap. I'm showing you the Shamrockin' because it's really awesome, and it's almost St. Patty's Day, but that's what we have. And if you take advantage of our buy 3 get 1 free, you get $90 worth for $45. And if you divide that out for the mat, that's under $3 per service that you would pay in a nail salon. And I love my nail salon. I love it. She does a great job and everything, but I can save a little bit of money in getting some of these done. Now, the first thing I do want to do, though, is I do want to show you how to apply one. I'm going to peel up one of these, and you don't want to touch them. You don't want to get your, your natural oils on them, but I've just cut this in half with a little pair of manicure scissors. I'm going to use my little orange wood stick, and I'm going to kind of roll it back a little bit, and then I'm going to heat it. And it's a sparkly one, so I'm going to heat this up, and I don't know, you can't see it, and I don't even know that you can hear it, but I have one of the Jamberry nail heaters, which is very quiet. There we go. I just showed you that. Heat it up. And usually with the sparkly ones in it, and it depends, and 5 seconds, 9 seconds, I mean, it depends. I usually do it until it kind of looks like it's starting to curl. You can use a hairdryer, you can use a flat iron, you can use any kind of source of heat to kind of soften the adhesive on the back. And then what I do is I take it here, I lay it carefully on my nail. I don't touch the sides. I carefully flatten it out a little bit. I use my rubber tipped to kind of press the edges down a little bit, because you want to heat. You want to be sure that you flatten it to your nail. You want to heat it a little bit more, but the rubber tip, you can kind of get in around the edges. But remember, you're not touching your skin on the sides. And you know what? To be honest with you, for 30 years I've done hair and nails. And even when you're applying an acrylic nail, you don't touch the skin because it'll cause lifting. So it's the same thing. I have found with these wraps, they're really awesome, and they work very much the same as putting an acrylic nail on, because they do offer some protection and whatnot. So I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit again and kind of push it down. Make sure I have all the bubbles out and flatten it a little bit, and so that it's adhered to the nail. And there's my Shamrockin' first nail done. And I'm now going to go ahead and file it and trim it. And I have found, I work on a computer all day long, that I have found that if I just trim the edges a little bit with my nail clippers and lightly buff down the edges, I don't have a lot of issues with them lifting or peeling back. So there's that done. A little bit of heat again. Usually it's a good idea to let them cool a little bit. There we go. Now that's my first one is on. So in just the time I talk to you, I can do a full set, 8 to 10 minutes. They don't take long to take off. You don't need anything special. Sometimes it's just a little pan or sink of warm water, and you just slide them off. They last up to 3 weeks on your nails, on your hands, nails. Mine, I'll be honest, they don't last that long because my nails grow very, very quickly. So for my Valentine's one, I wore those for 2 weeks. They probably